Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts. Today I'm going to do a flip through of my Oceanic Adventure journal, and this is my first cinch journal. And by cinch I mean the way it's bound. It's bound with this wire binding, and I use my We Are Memory Keepers cinch machine to bind it all together. And so I really love how this turned out. I'm using an Oceanic Adventure paper pack and embellishment pack by Happiness and Crafting, which is by Kerr. I will link to it in the description below. And if you want to see any videos on how I made any of this journal, you can check my playlist, and it's called Oceanic Adventure Journal, and most of the journal creation is in those videos. So I just want to start out by showing the cover. And for the cover, I have just added some, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this is just glitter paper that I've cut seashells out of and some starfish out of, and the seahorse. And then I've just added some flowers. And I do have a video showing how I did all this. Well, how I made the cover, not necessarily how I added all these. I had made this cluster up before the video. And then this is just some yarn, some special yarn that I had found years ago. And so I decided to use it as a netting. And so this, I've left a lot of the pages plain because I thought this would make a great scrapbook or a great journaling journal, a journal that you just write in. I also thought it would make a great bullet journal, so I've left a lot of pages so that you can do your planning in it, or you can do your writing in it, or you can add pictures, whatever you want to do with it. So this is just the inside cover, and I left it plain because it's got so much journaling spot or picture spot. And this is the gorgeous first page. This is a beautiful kit. All the pages are gorgeous. And so what I've done with this page is I just zigzag stitched around it, and it is a pocket. And then I've made a journaling card, a really large journaling card that I've stitched around, and I've collaged it. And then it has this little tab on it to pull it out. And I love the this little die that I have to cut these. And so that was just using in another video I'll tell what it is, but it's just a die that I used through my Big Shot. And so this is a vellum pocket that I created, and in it I have put a tag from the kit. And I've also used some embellishments and some stamps that I had to embellish it. And the embellishments from the kit. And then here's another collaged journaling card. And it just tucks right in there. I have another journaling page. And then on this page is a collaged pocket. And then in it is a journaling card. And you could put lots of more things in it. You could add pictures in it or anything that you wanted to add. Another adorable journaling page. I could not cover him up. I thought it was too cute. And so this is the mermaid page, and I didn't want to cover her up, so I've just added a picture spot or a journaling spot to the top. And if you wanted to add a picture to it, let me see if I can show you. If you wanted to add a picture, it would just slide in right in there. That's upside down, isn't it? But you could slide it in right there, so it fits perfectly in there. And you could just glue your picture in that way. And then this page was so gorgeous, but I thought it'd be a great page to journal around. And this page is also another pocket. And in this pocket is a flip out journaling card, and I do have a video how I made this. And so it uses one sheet of 8.5 by 11 to create this. And so it just keeps folding out, and then it has a little pocket, and in the pocket I just folded one of the tags up to look like an envelope, but I did not glue it. That way it's a little secret journaling spot, but whoever purchases this could glue it shut and put things in the pocket, make it an envelope and put things in it if they wanted to. And then it just slides right back into the pocket here. And then it's another beautiful journaling page. So this is just an envelope that I have added, and I've just decorated it up with some papers from the kit. And then I've added a little glittered seashell that I cut out as just a way to keep it closed. And I've done a mosaic collage on this envelope here. And then I've just made some journaling cards. And this journaling card was made using a book page, and then I just backed it with some cardstock. And then this one is also collaged, and then I've just used images from the book to be my focal point. So I just close it up like that. I don't want to wrinkle it up. But that's what I do this so that these flaps don't hang out of your journal and get wrinkled up anyway. So this is just a pocket from the kit. It's a envelope that I've turned into a pocket, and I'll show you how I did that in one of the videos. And then here are some tags that I've collaged and just a little journaling card that I have stamped with some ocean theme stamps that I have. Just get that down, back down in there. And then on this page is another gorgeous journaling page, and so I left it like it was. And this is an envelope from the kit, and what I've done is just added a journaling card to it, and this is a journaling card from the kit. And so it fit perfectly in there. And then another gorgeous page that I just couldn't cover up, so I've left it like it is. And then this page has pockets that are layered from the kit. These are just pockets from the kit, and what I've done is just layered them together. And then I've just stamped some little cards with some ocean stamps that I had, and each one is just a jar that has a little ocean scene inside it. So I thought those were cute. And then what I did was I went through here and I stamped these images, and then I just heat embossed them so that it is raised, so you can feel the texture on there, and I love how that turned out. Another gorgeous page from the kit that I've just stitched around, made a journaling card with collaging and stamp. This is a stamp that I had, and then some embellishments from the kit. Another gorgeous page from the kit. Here is a vellum pocket that I've just clipped in here, and it is made using a book page, and then I've just got little tags and cards from the kit in it so that you could use to decorate your pages, or you could journal on them, whatever you want to do with them. And then another pocket from the kit, and then a journaling card, excuse me, that I've just stamped and added some of my stamped images as well as some images from the kit. Another envelope that I've decorated up, and then I've just done a mosaic collage on the back. I've added a little glitter starfish, and then inside of it is another journaling card that was made using a book page from a ocean book. And then this is a large journaling card that I've made, and I've just added some from the book page and embellishments from the kit to it. And then I'm just using the starfish as a little tuck spot for the flap. And that one's a little bit, you gotta get it under both little legs. But I think it's very cute, so that's why I did it. Here's another one of those flip outs. It just goes in the opposite direction. So the page is a pocket, and then this just fits into the pocket, and then it flips out, and then you have another little journaling spot there that you can take out. And you can take this out. I'm just not gonna take it out this time, but it's just a pocket. And then I have another vellum pocket that I've just decorated up. I've added a journaling card to it. I've also added another journaling card that was on an index card. I collaged those on the index cards. And then here's another little tag from the kit. Another great page to journal on, a bullet journal, or put your pictures on. And then it's a pocket as well. I've stitched around it. It's a pocket with a journaling card that's been stitched around. And then on the back side, these are just some pockets from the cards from the kit that I've made into pockets, and then I just stamped these images onto some of the paper from the kit, and I'm using those as tags or little journaling cards in the pockets. Another vellum pocket. Now this one has little cards in it, and I thought these cards would be great to decorate pages, and one of my thoughts was if this was like a photo, pretend like you're adding a photo to the kit, to the page, and then you would just add this to the edge of the photo. That would be great way to decorate. Or you could fussy cut these and add them to your pages and collages or anything that you want to do. And then another little tag that I've made using stamps and collaging. And I'm using the jute thread, the jute cord for my tags, and I thought that kind of went with the theme of ocean and boats and made me think of rope is what it did. So then here's another little tuck spot that I've created, and then another little card that I've just framed out that I stamped. Another great journaling page, and I thought this page is so adorable. I don't know why this is so cute, but I think it's so cute. And then I've made another little pocket, and I have some journaling cards in it that I've collaged. There's a lot of collaged journaling cards in this kit because I had so much fun collaging with this kit. So most every one of the journaling cards is going to be collaged in the kit. And so that's another little pocket. I've stitched around this page. It's another little pocket for your journaling card, but you could add more things in there. You could add photos in there. You could do whatever you wanted to do. And then this is just the last page I thought was gorgeous for just journaling on. And then here you could journal as well. And so that is the finished journal. And I really love how this journal turned out. And I hope that you've been following along in this series. I have videos showing how I made just about everything that's in this journal. So hopefully you've been following along and enjoying seeing how this journal come together. I've really enjoyed putting this journal together. And if you haven't had a chance to see all the videos, you can go to my playlist. It's called Oceanic Adventure Journal playlist, and on that playlist you will see pretty much all of the videos that show how I made the items for this kit. This journal will be going in my Etsy shop, and so I will link below to it, and I'm hoping to have it listed once this video comes out. Hopefully it's already listed. I'll try to list it the same day as the video. Sometimes I forget to list it when I list these videos, so if I do, then it'll probably be up in the next 24 hours. So one thing you can do is you can follow my Etsy shop so that when I upload a new listing, I think Etsy will kind of let you know. There's a little spot on Etsy where it lets you know when shops that you like or that you follow add new listings. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and bye.